Number 12, 4. They give us A equal 30 degree. We have to prove that sine 3A equal 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. So let us replace first. In place of A, we put 30 degree. So it will be 3 into 30. 3 into 30 will be 90. From the table, we will get 90 is equal to P by H. So 1 by 1 equal to 1. Then here also 3 sine. In place of A, we put 30 degree. In 4 from the question, let it remain. In place of A, we put 30 degree. So sine 30 from here we have 1 by 2 P by H. Then here let it be like that. Here we have cube, so we put whole cube. 4 from the question, let it remain. So 3 into 1 will be 3. Then here 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 times you have to multiply. We'll get 8. 4 divide 8, we have 2. So 2. Now we have fraction. We can find LCM. LCM of 2 and 2 will be 2. So 3 minus 1 will be 2. 2 divide 2, we get 1. Then the same way, here also, A already given 30. We have to prove that the left equal to right. So first in place of A, let's put with 30 degree. So 3 into A. 3 into 30 will be 90. Cos 90, check yourself with the help of table, equal to 0 degree. Then here we have 4. Let it remain 4. Cos 30, check from the table, root 3 by 2. Here we have power 3, so let's put power 3. Minus 3 from the question. Cos 30, we know root 3 by 2. Here you have to multiply 3 times. Root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So there will be 3 root 3. 2 of them we can take out. 1 remain inside the root. 2 into 2 into 2 will have 8. Here we have multiply. So 4 and 8 we can cancel. Then here 1 is inside the root, 1 outside. We cannot multiply. Write them together. Then if you look here, this is plus, this is minus. Both the quantity are same. So if minus, definitely we will get 0. Okay. So left hand side we get 0. Right hand side we get 0. So that means both the sides are equal. Then here again also we have A equal 30 degree. We have to prove that sine 2A equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So let's put first in place of A, we put 30 degree. So 2 into 30, we have 60. From the table, check yourself. Sine 30 equal to root 3 by 2. Then here again, in place of A, we put 30 degree. Only in place of A, okay? The rest remains same. Then 2 from the table, tan 30 will be 1 by root 3. Here 1 plus tan 30, 1 by root 3. Here we have square, so we put square. So 2 into 1, 2 by root 3. Let's leave it like that first. 1 here, no number mean we can complete 1 to complete the fraction. 1 into 1, 1. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So now numerator, leave it as it is. Denominator, you can apply LCM. So 1 and 3 LCM will be 3. 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 1 will be 3. 3 divide 3, 1. 1 into 1, 1. So 3 plus 1, it will be equal to 4 by 3. So this one, bring it as it is. 4 by 3. It is divide. If I change it to multiply, it will come upside down. So 2 and 4, we can cancel. Okay, 2 divide 4 will have 2. Then now we have root 3 down here. Okay, we have like 3 by 2 root 3. In order to remove root 3 in the denominator, because the left hand side we get root 3 by 2. So here, so we have to get like that. What to do? We rationalize this one. So we have root 3 down. We will rationalize root 3 up. Or you can do either rationalize or you can do one thing. This 3 numerator, we can write it as root 3 into root 3. Because square root 3 into square root 3 give us same equal to 3. So square root cancel. We have root 3 by 2, which is equal to left hand side. Then here again, A is 30 degree. So let's replace everywhere. 2 into 30 will be 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then here we have 1 minus tan square 30. Tan 30 we know 1 by root 3. We have square. Let's put square. 1 plus same 1 by root 3 whole square. So let's remove the square. The rest write the same. 1 into 1, 1. Root square root 3. So square and square root cancel. We are left with 3, both numerator and denominator. We have fraction. Let's find LCM. Numerator separately, denominator separately. LCM of 3 and 1, 3. 1 divide 3, 3. Okay, minus 1. It will be 2 by 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then 3. So 2 by 3, bring it as it is. This one is divide. If I change it to multiply, it will come upside down. 3 by 4. So 2 and 4 we can cancel. It become 2. 3 divide 3, 1. So here you see, left hand side 1 by 2. Right hand side also 1 by 2. Again here, A is 30 degree. So 2 into 30, 60. Tan 60 from the table, root 3. Then here also in place of A we put 30 degree. Both numerator and denominator. 2 from the question, let it be. Tan 30, we have from the table 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 3 here. We have square. So now 2 into 1, 2. Let it remain 2 by root 3. Here we remove square. 1 minus 1 into 1, 1. Square root 3 square. So square root and 2 get cancelled. We get 1 by 3. We have fraction. Let's find the LCM. So LCM of here 1 by 3 will be 3. So 1 divide 3, 3. 3 into 1, 3. 3, 3 same those. So 3 minus 1 become 2. Okay. So this one 2 by root 3. We bring it as it is. Then 3 minus 1 here we have 2 by 3. But if I change it to multiply, it become upside down. That means 3 by 2. 2 we can cancel. In the left hand side we have root 3. So again, either we rationalize the denominator or this 3 we can convert it root 3 into root 3. So 3 cancel. We will get equal to right hand side.